When I started out as a real estate agent, I realized really quickly how important having a team of world-class professionals was around me. And now, 15 years into this, as I look up and I see what's happening in our industry as a whole, the importance of that set of professionals around you is becoming ever more important. As our real estate industry consolidates, as we see tremendous new entrants from iBuyers and from other sources competing with the real estate agent, it's going to be really important that as real estate agents, we're able to provide our customers, our clients, with the full suite of homeownership services. We talk about that as delivering the power of home. And today, that means we're going to have to continue to evolve from the work we do in helping somebody find a house, to helping somebody finance that house, to close on that house, to insure that house. We're going to call that what we call delivering the power of home. It means that we as real estate agents have to evolve from just helping someone find a house to helping them buy that house, to finance that house, to close on that house, to insure that house, potentially to maintain and renovate that house so they can work with this team of professionals again in the future to sell it and realize the power of home through the appreciation and asset value that they create. So as a real estate entrepreneur, it becomes critical that we have a team of professionals around us. And it becomes increasingly critical that that team of professionals is integrated into everything we do. And is actually not just a relationship we had, but a relationship that's structurally integrated into the work we do as a brokerage. So we created Mission Mortgage because we wanted to partner with the best in the business. We wanted to have a team of consummate world-class professionals to support the agents of Keller Williams Capital Properties in building that, what we like to call a partnership platform, that platform of services that can deliver for their clients the power of home. And so we're excited today to have amazing folks like yourself as part of Mission Mortgage. And I hope and I wish that I had folks like this by my side, integrated into the company that I was part of, integrated into the fabric, the systems, the technology, and the data that I was working with, so that I could deliver that power of home to my clients. And as we go forward in today's ever-changing real estate industry, this issue of delivering the power of home is going to be at the forefront of everything that we're doing. And we're excited to have our partners at Mission Mortgage here with us as we work together to build that team that helps you deliver the power of home for the people and the communities that you serve.